solve the equation 2 raised to power x equal to 332. Now, 2 raised to power x is equal to 32. So 32 is same thing as saying 2 raised to power 5. Now, the bases are the same. Since the bases are the same, we equate the power. So you have x is equal to 5. This is the answer. Now let's solve another one. Let's say another one. Let's say 4 raised to power x equal to 0.5. Now this 4 raised to power x, 4 is same thing as 2 raised to power 2 in brackets, that is in parentheses, raised to power x. Now this 0.5 is same thing as 1 over 2, and this expression can also be written in this form: 2 raised to power. Now the powers will now multiply each other, so 2 times x will give you 2x. That is 2 raised to power 2x is equal to this 1 all over 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to power minus 1, because 1 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 0 all over 2 raised to power 1. 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 1. So using division theory, we say 2 raised to power 0 minus 1, which is 2 raised to power minus 1. So since the bases are the same, you equate the powers, so it becomes 2x is equal to minus 1. So our x is equal to, so the x is equal to get the x, we need to isolate the x. So to isolate the x, we divide all through by 2. This will cancel out this. You have x is equal to minus 1 over 2. You have x as, so let's do another one. You have 32 raised to power x equal to 0.25. Now this 32 raised to power x is something as saying, this 32 is something as saying 2 raised to power 5 all in bracket raised to power x equals to, this value is something as 1 all over 4. Now look at how to show that. You say 25, 0.25 is something as 25 divided by 100, which is 5. 25 divided 25, you have 1. 25 divided 100, you have 4. So which is 1 over 4. Another way for you to also note this, if you say 0.25 divided by 1, this is something as saying multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 100, you have 25 all over 100. Divide 25 by itself, you have 1. Divide 100 by itself, you have 4. So is 1 all over 4. Now this 1 all over 4, this 2 raised to power 5, all in bracket raised to power x, is will be expressed as 2 raised to power 5x, which is equal to this one all over 4 is expressed as 4 raised to power minus 1, and 4 is already 2 raised to power 2. Now with this minus 1, so now 2 raised to power 2 or raised to power minus 1, so 2 times minus 1, we have 2 raised to power minus 2. Now you have 2 raised to power 5x equal to 2 raised to power minus 2. Now since the bases are the same, you equate the powers, so the powers is just 5x equal to minus 2. Now to isolate x, you divide all through by 5. You divide both sides of the equation by 5, so you have this will cancel out. You now have left with x at the left hand side. At the right hand side, you have minus 2 divided by 5, which is your answer. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And if you like my video, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Please also help me to share the video. Thank you.